and I want to share. Temu sent me 2 things of wax seal things, and I didn't order them, and I let them know I didn't order them, and they told me to keep them and credited my account. I did get a wax seal, but I didn't order these, so they gave me credit. Then I ordered some brads that are snowflakes and some snowflake embellishments and photo corners, and my crafting buddy broke, so I ordered a new one, and this one is staying in the box unless I use it. And then I renewed my subscription to my craft club, and I got it. Let's see what this is. Oh, so cold. It's a January scrapbook kit. Simple Stories Winter Wonder. Let's see what all I got in here. I got some wood embellishments, chipboard frames, Simple Stories Winter Wonder. I got Winter Wonder Cartabella wood chip. I got Sticko's snowflakes. Okay, let's see what the kit has in it. Oh, cute snowman. That's super cute. And then a bunch of words about snow. I got snowflakes. Set these over here. Polka dots and lines. I like lines. I don't know why they put flowers in here, but with winter, flowers don't come up. And then green that says Burr all over it. That's cute. More snowflakes. And peach with polka dots. And all kinds of winter gear. And pink. Hot chocolate and coffee. And peach. And tags. Wonder why they got an Easter bunny on there. Or a bunny. More cut aparts. And mint. More cut aparts. And flowers with holly on it. More cut aparts. And greenery. More cut aparts. I like this side. And the sticker sheet. Hot chocolate, snowman mittens, hot chocolate happiness, snowshoes, lantern trees. I like this. Well, that is it for this. You're going to see me in the same outfit because I just went to my craft club and I got a bunch of layouts to share. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye for now.